Okay, just got a package from Mech. This should be his Blue Belt Challenge Lock. Figure might as well try to open it and pick it in one go just to see how it goes. Already blacked out everybody's information, but I still want to be a little careful. Comes in a box. Have a sticker and a cap. Feel free to leave a note for fun or suggesting any changes and pass it on. Notes. Howdy y'all, Mech. They're all cool. I dig it. These must be the caps. Look like spray paint caps. That's cool. I must be too old to understand. But then we've got the challenge lock itself. I'm just gonna set all that aside. Really nice engraving on the front. Doesn't look like anything to the top of the key. And I'm trying not to look at the bitting. Grab one of these stickers. We'll take a look at that if I get it open. I do love the keyway, and by that I mean, ew, keyway. But we'll see what we can do. Make sure that's on camera. Is that gonna be? Going this way. Just trying to decide how I want to do this. Alright, going clockwise that direction feels alright. So let's grab my short hook. Little click off 3, but it doesn't feel set. Something on 4. No, I'm not having any progress there. So let me go back to bottom of the keyway and try counterclockwise. Alright, I'm not having any luck right now. I'm going to have to figure out how I want to do this. Is that gonna... movement. There we go. Almost quit, almost quit. All right. So, it is officially open. Try to show that off a little bit. Uncover the key. That is what the key looks like. Key is pretty smooth. I know Mech said he was trying to make sure that he had a good working key. Definitely succeeded on that. Where did I put my gut wrench? There it is. Just give that little there. And bring this over. Always use a shim. My shim's gonna be a butt, isn't it? My shim does not want to shim. Let's see if my other shim is a little more cooperative. My shim doesn't want to shim. It looks like the top cap's been pried at a little bit. Did he make it slidable? Let me pull that out just so I get a little less spring pressure. Does not look like it. So we're just going to is not going, and I don't like that because I'm going to do something dumb. Make sure that's the right size. We got lucky. We got lucky. So, 5 pins. Pin 5 on this looks standard. Pin 4 has a bevel and some serrations. I see another pin in 5 though. Pin 5 also has I hope I didn't break that. I'll have to check with Mech. Pin 3 has a serration. Pin 2 is standard with a bevel on both sides. And pin 1. Wait, I took this out of pin 5 after. So this. Pin 1 has a serration and a bevel on both sides. So I'm gonna say that was supposed to be like that. Why would that be though? I definitely took this out of pin chamber 5 after I got this out. So if this is where the driver pins would be, that would be where that is. Not sure, not sure. Don't see any kind of counter milling or anything like that. That's all smooth. And I'm gonna go from pin 5, since that's got the angle, or the cutout. Pin 5 is a serrated. serrated and a spool. Pin 3 is serrated. Pin 2 is a spool. And pin 1 is a serrated spool. Nothing else going on in there. Tap out all my springs. Alright, the one that's stuck in there is 4. I'm gonna go like that. And nothing else on the core that I can see. So it looks like 2 different springs. I'll double check with Mech, make sure they alternate like that, but I assume they do. This one I know was stuck in chamber 4, so I know that one's in the right spot. And I'll have to double check if I broke that one. But they were both in. Oh, I used the key, so I don't know where exactly it was when I picked it. But let me zoom in, give you guys a better look. And then again, that beautiful etching that it did, that Mech did. Thanks, bye.